What's up, everybody? I'm back. The RP starts now. I have to get a alarm, seriously. Because I've been waking up at night. I don't know what time is it. But it's whatever. Let me just get a quick bath. Okay, brush my teeth because I usually start my routine at night. Ooh, ish. Hey, but I'll get a cleaner soon. Let's go to let's go to the grocery store and shop and start working. Like fresh as fresh. My father's car. Mm, 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 mm. And back in the day, this car was the best car ever. Wait, did I lock my house? No. Don't be. I forgot to lock my house. I think somebody just walked in, but that will be stuck. So, I am going this way. Which one is quicker? Let me just use this side because I think it's quicker. Gotta follow the rules. The red light because I hate red lights. Oh, I'm on the wrong lane. Sorry. Please do not arrest me. I'm still learning. Yeah, let's just say I'm still learning because I never gotten a driver's license before. So that is my problem. Yeah, if this one is definitely quicker, but we all know we have to stop on the red lights. Where's the place that doesn't have a red light? Gotta freshen my walk. Where should I park? Let me park by the mall. Does it have a parking lot? Nope, it does. Under the mall. I seriously have to park. Ooh, the lines are yellow like my car. Can get in slowly and fine. Okay, now let's walk to the place my work. Okay, but it's true Jesus is our savior. But let me just start working. Yep, that'll be $10. Well, if you're not buying anything, things. I feel like quitting this job, but I can't quit. But at least pays me 1,000. this rolling and stuff. I'm sorry for the little bit quietness. Yeah, let's roll. Let me just pack this in my car for later today. Alright. At least, I am going somewhere far in 2 days. So my bag, it is there. So I'm not scared. But my problem is, let me just grab money just in case. Close your eyes. I don't want you guys to see my password. Close your eyes. Thank you. Okay. Guys, can open your thing. I think I should go to the grocery store and buy some water. I feel like I should go now because my bags are already in the car. So, woo, the car is trying to kill me. Oh my days. What's going on? So, meet you guys at Dubai.